Yo, what's good YouTube? It's Cricket 54 here, just coming back with a lock update. This will be my year and 2.5 months, I believe. Yeah, this is the second part to the video. I got a first part. I'm debating if I want to upload it. Anyway, yeah, I just got done washing my hair and it showed what it looked like when I had washed it. Anyway, this is the first part. Ooh. As you can see, I retwisted it. Yeah, my hair's gotten a lot longer. Products, I'm still using the same products. The Island Oil, what else do I use? The Tingle Shampoo, the Lock and Cream Wax, and the gel. I combined the Mango and Lime Gel and the Lock and Cream Wax on my there as a twister. Flip it down. As you can see, they've gotten a lot longer. I just grabbed one. That's one of them. I mean, I don't know if that's. You can see that that's really long. They like reach the back now. I've combined it a lot more because I had dreads like this close to falling out, so I just had to combine the things. I combined it one on the top, and I twisted around each other with a whole bunch of gel on it, and you can't even tell that I twisted it, that it was two guys combined. This is also really long. I guess I can give y'all a 360 real quick. Top, side, I can see they completely hang on my ears now. Back. Oh, that's a good view on the back. One of my dreads, this one touches my back. Yeah, other side. Hope it's a good look. Top again. Yeah, I haven't really been doing anything different. I waited 2.5 months to twist them. I guess you could say that's the difference. Yeah, just pretty much the same. They all of them in the front reach to about right here now. So yeah, they're all pretty long. They hang on my ears completely, like completely now. Like they hang like here. And it's so weird because they just like they're just long, I guess. So gotta get used to it. Other than that, nothing really different. That's pretty much it. Comment, rate, subscribe. Anything you want to know, message me, leave a comment. Y'all know what to do. Cricket, out.